two giants in insurance, Travelers and Liberty Mutual. If you had to pick one, who would it be? On one side, Travelers, known for its reliability and long-standing history. On the other, Liberty Mutual, famed for its flexible coverage and nationwide reach. Let's look past catchy ads and slogans. Let's see what's really on offer. We'll rate them in key categories. Each win adds a point and you'll see who actually leads. The outcome may surprise you. Here, the lay of the land, we're going to break things down by price and value, digital experience, coverage options, customer service, and of course, nationwide availability. Each category will go Travelers first, then Liberty Mutual, and yeah, we're keeping score. Ready? Let's roll. Okay, kicking off with price and value. Travelers is actually pretty competitive if you're someone who likes to bundle policies like mixing auto and home, but they're not always the cheapest, especially if you're living right in the city. Their claim satisfaction is solid though. Now, Liberty Mutual, this is where it gets interesting. Liberty is all about customization. You can tweak your policy all day and there are frequent discounts like if you're a safe driver or you pay in full. But, and this is a big but, some folks have said their rates creep up when you renew and the pricing explanations can be a little mysterious. Still, in terms of straight value and flexibility, Liberty Mutual takes the round here. Up next, digital experience. Travelers, they've got a good online portal and the app does what it needs to, mostly for normal stuff like filing claims or checking documents. But I'll be honest, it's not exactly cutting edge. Some people will find the app looks a bit last decade, and you're not getting wild integrations with other services. Liberty Mutual, though, is really leaning into tech. The app is pretty modern, it's loaded with features, even AI stuff for claims and when you need roadside help. Now sure, a few people have reported bugs and if you're not super into doing everything online, that could be a hassle. But all things considered, Liberty Mutual easily wins the digital showdown. Now, coverage options. Travelers shines here. They've got pretty much every policy you'd need, whether that's auto, home, umbrella, you name it. Plus, if you like special endorsements or customizing coverage for unique needs, Travelers makes that possible, although yeah, you might pay extra for those add-ons. Liberty Mutual's coverage, it's also pretty flexible. You can get things like new or better car replacement and usage-based coverage, which is cool if your driving habits are a bit unique. But they don't have quite as many niche or specialty endorsements, and in some places not all options are available. So in terms of sheer breadth and strength, Travelers edges it out. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Liberty Mutual's logo, the statue, it's actually inspired by the Statue of Liberty, just a little nod to their American roots. Fun fact back to the showdown. Customer service? Oh, this is always fun. Travelers is actually one of those companies that does really well in national surveys like those from J.D. Power. Their local agents can be super engaged. You actually feel like you're someone rather than just another call in the queue. Sometimes they do experience delays during major storms, but I mean, what company does? Liberty Mutual is a lot more about digital speed, 24/7 claims, quick filing, all online, which is great for the impatient among us. The catch? If your claim gets complicated, Liberty's service rating goes a bit up and down depending on where you live. So for old school peace of mind, Travelers comes out on top in customer service. Last but not least, let's talk nationwide availability. Travelers is pretty much a coast-to-coast thing, offering policies in all 50 states with a deeply rooted agent network. Not every office works the same in every state, so expect some variations, but you're never far from a Travelers option. Liberty Mutual, they're in most states and in big cities, quotes are easy to get online, which I love. Rural areas might hit some limits, though not quite as blanket as Travelers. Verdict? Travelers grabs this one by just being literally everywhere. So, looking at the scores across all our categories, you can see the strengths. If tech and price tweaking are your jam, Liberty Mutual really pops. But in categories like coverage variety, classic agent support, and sheer availability, Travelers is pretty tough to beat. Honestly, if you just want rock-solid coverage and an agent who actually knows your name, Travelers is probably your best bet. But if you're someone who wants to tweak your policy from your phone and hunt down discounts, Liberty Mutual might just feel more like home. That's the real difference. If this helped you make up your mind, definitely follow for more smart insurance breakdowns. Seriously, we dive deep on all the stuff companies don't make obvious.